I'd like to thank Todd Bernier in the audio department for not bringing up the microphone about 5 seconds early on that one.
I mean, you shouldn't have gone for 2. You should have just kicked the extra point.
Thanks, Coach. It's my fault.
I know.
20 years I have
call.
never listened to you, and all of a sudden I did. So
terrible call.
I learned my lesson.
Anyway, you fix that while I do this. All right.
I'm only down 14-13.
Get us
It's
some
the
more.
third quarter. I'm all right.
Get us some more points, please. We need a W. The temps continue to slide, folks. Yes, we're settling into a colder than average few days, actually, for the first time in a while. We're going to string together maybe 4 or 5 days in a row that are going to be a little chilly out there. And you can see temperatures have dropped. 24 hours ago, they were a little milder, except in Calais, where it actually is warmer than it was yesterday at this time. I'll show you why in a sec. But a lot of the surrounding area is at or below freezing, like in Cumberland and Topsom, where it's 29. Gray, 26. Sebago, Rumford, Freiburg, Livermore, up Route 4, 31. A lot of frost. You're probably going to have to do a little scraping of the windshields. Bangor, 31. Same with Orono and Herman. So you've got frost in and around the city. As you look north, there are 20s, obviously there too. But the down east coastline, not quite as cold. There's still some cloud cover overhead and maybe even some sprinkles from this offshore area of low pressure, which is chugging away, heading toward Nova Scotia and Cape Breton and also Sable Island. So we'll catch a little break today, other than this upper level disturbance, which swings in this afternoon and bubbles up some clouds and gives us another round of isolated showers. We're in a dry but colder pattern with that next air mass, even chillier, the one that's out there right now. Sunshine for all this morning. Yes, nippy enough for jackets, maybe even a hat too early on here. Then the cloud switch gets flipped on, happens in the mountains first, then the foothills, then getting down to the coastline by early this afternoon. Seasonably cool, not much wind, so not terrible. And every once in a while you can see a little shade of green there, right? Those are those isolated flare-up showers that we'll see. They would be fast-paced, moving quickly through, so they'd be brief if you get one. Not every town's going to get one. These will be scattered around. And once they leave, we clear out almost instantly this evening with a big temperature drop coming. In fact, by tomorrow morning, we're looking at lows in the 20s in just about everywhere, including the larger cities too. If you get a shower, it's going to be between noon and 2 o'clock in the mountains, 2 to 5 o'clock for Portland, Lewiston, Augusta to Waterville, probably right around 5-ish for Bangor, and then points east of Bangor, it's 5 to 8 o'clock for that shower chance. High temperatures along our coastline, 50 or 51, normally 53, so we're a little bit shy of that. Upper 40s as you go inland a little bit, and then the mountains and north will be even cooler. With limited sunshine, we're looking at highs in the mid-40s. We'll get a ton of sunshine tomorrow and again on Friday, but this air will have a bite to it. The mornings will be in the 20s, the afternoon highs in the 40s, storm track well offshore. It may, however, though, swing back to the west early next week, and there'll be a large ocean storm off of the Carolinas, which could either curl right up the coastline or go out to sea. And it's kind of split 50-50 at this point what's going to happen. So we'll call it a 50% chance that that storm gets to us on Monday. That would be when we would see it, if we get it at all. It's a long way off. Until then, enjoy the quiet times. There's the marine forecast. Not much happening on the water today. Light northwest winds. Seas are coming down too after being up there again over the weekend. Upper 40s, close to 50 today. There'll be clouds this afternoon and some isolated showers, and then lots of sun Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Cold Thursday, Friday, but actually milder on Saturday, returning to the 50 to 55 degree range. Same temps on Sunday, looks dry. We get that extra hour sleep in the morning, but sunset's going to be around 4:30 in the afternoon. And if we get a storm, it's Monday. Monday would be the day. So that's a long way off. Nice, quiet weather to start November.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Good. Pulled out the win.
Yes, buddy.
26-17.
Way to go.
Beat the Dolphins. All right, here we go.